So let the adventure begin. Got something special for you guys. Here we go. First stop. Love. Hey, sexy. Hi. How you doing? Feeling amazing? Well, you look amazing. Look at you.
Stop. You're joking.
Drop it.
Stop. Stop.
I promise to always be your confidant and you mine, and you are mine. To always communicate even if I may not be ready. I vow to always put us first and refresh our vows as new chapters of our lives begin. I am today and will always be your partner and friend, travel buddy, cooking teammate, the recipient and giver of the most inappropriate jokes, workout buddy, support system, and most importantly your wife during this amazing life adventure. I love you a lot.
Simple vows for my life. We made it. We did it. As I'm writing this, I can't help but think of how much we have been through and how much we have grown together. You're my other half, my partner, my team, my everything. Right now, I have the privilege of calling you my wife.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Brett, you may kiss your bride.
Rose and I love you very much. And one thing that solidified that, Brett, is the fact that you love maple bacon cheese sandwiches. Got us.
You're the best.
You're the best.